Is this the secret gem of Dollar Tree? Why, yes. Yes, it is. Hey guys, I recently made a video of some of my favorite Dollar Tree cleaning products and you guys seem to love it. So today I want to share with you some other amazing products you do not want to miss from the dollar store. Some hacks you're going to think, whoa, you can actually do that? Oh, check that out. So if you've got a house that gets messy, don't miss this video. First, the Holy Grail, LA's totally awesome cleaner. This is viewer recommended and you guys got me hooked on this stuff. It cleans everything and I love using it for patio furniture. I mean, this stuff will take anything off. Right on the bottle, it tells you all the places you can clean, and this is such a great indoor-outdoor product for really set-in stains. Isn't that crazy?
It's dirty.
Leave it on for a few minutes before wiping away so it works to its full potential. But wait, there's more. Don't forget to use it on your car. What? Look good? You can see it's coming off. It also works great on vinyl siding and gutters. Just make sure to test at an inconspicuous area first. If you've got a really set-in stain, oh man, this is gonna help get it out. Pretty awesome before and after. Next are two convenience wipes you don't want to leave the Dollar Tree without. Name brands retail for about $3.50. So at $1, this is a great deal. I love, especially after the holidays, the furniture cleaning wipes. You get 24 in a pack, which is really good, just like the name brand stuff. Clean up the excess and wipe away for a polished shine on your furniture. But I think my favorite are the glass cleaning wipes. These are great on picture frames or really hard to reach to glass that you don't want to use a spray for. But wait, there's more. Another amazing trick is to get a Dollar Tree lint roller. You want the extra sticky kind, and these work really well on lampshades or if there's any place where you have a lot of glitter from leftover holiday stuff. For bigger areas, I use LA Awesome Window Cleaner and the multi-purpose cleaning cloths. These are reusable. Avoid this one and go with LA's Totally Awesome. It's really good. And that particular brand, I find, does the best job. Isn't it so fun that all of this is only $1? Here are some more favorite reusable products. Something I mention all the time is my duster. It's great for all those hard to reach spaces if you're working really, really fast. So you may have a Swiffer or a steam mop at home and the reusable pads can be really expensive. So get the off-brand Sham Wows from the Dollar Tree and you're gonna cut this down so it fits right onto your mop. Get them a little bit wet if you're using a steam mop and it works awesome. Boop, boop, boop. Booping is optional. Yay! Love how YouTube forces me to clean things. This is from about 2 minutes of cleaning and I can just throw this into the washing machine and use this several times. I also love the Dollar Tree squeegees. You can find the Brillo brand. The blue one I think works just as well. And as you can tell by the excited look on my face, I get to clean my shower less by doing this after each shower. It keeps the glass nice and clean. And there are mega deals at Dollar Tree you don't want to miss. When you're shopping, be really careful because here are these Scrub Buddy sponges, which are awesome. And down here are the exact same sponges, except here you get 3 for $1. They usually have these value packs, so always keep your eyes peeled. There's off-brand dryer sheets, but look around the store. You can often find the same name brand alternatives. These are the perfect size for keeping in your car to clean off your dashboard. Which, Charlie, zoom in on that.
Whoa. The camera lost the ability to focus because all the dust is gone.
That's good. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up and a comment down below with some of your favorite Dollar Tree cleaning products. I always love learning new things from you guys. And be sure to subscribe so I can catch you guys in the next video. I've got tons of stuff in store this year. I'll see you soon. Bye. At least we have endless cleaning content.
I guess so.
Oh boy.
That does not come out very well.
No.
Sorry.
That's okay, honey. Next time we'll do better, right? No, 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 no.